What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me again for another video. Today is the most exciting day. We're going to install the new clutch on the GTI. Wow, man, I've waited for this forever. So, gotta pick up Sammy first. Head to Brooklyn, pick up Sammy on the way, and hopefully he's ready because Sammy's never ready for anything. So, we're gonna kind of go with the flow here. K-band. I packed up all of
laser.
Fire the laser! So we gotta get some gas, pick up some money, pick up Sammy on the way, knowing from myself and Sammy doing things together, things don't tend to go on time. So hopefully this is the day that changes it all, and everything kind of comes up to plan. This place is in pretty much Jersey Shore. So I actually cleaned up my car, and I'm hoping to be able to get some cool shots somewhere in Jersey before coming back. Because I need some pictures for online networking somewhat for the channel. So a lot of companies ask me for pictures, and you know, I don't take enough pictures of my car. I really should, but not in its current state. I haven't taken any pictures. I think it's just because, like, I don't have any shoes on the car yet, so it's kind of weird. It's like going out with just socks, you know? That's what OEM wheels feel like. Look at this tank. All right, so just got here, picked up Sammy. I lost about 20 minutes. And so we gotta make up 20 minutes on the parkway. So I think we're gonna have to go through Mexico to get to Jersey. So let's hit the road. We need to be in Jersey by 11 o'clock, and right now it's saying 11:20. All right, so quick pee break. Just pulled up at a rest stop over here. If you guys saw in the last clip on the time lapse, I pointed to the cop. He actually pulled us over, this guy, and gave me a ticket for the Stack Plus sticker. So thank you very much, Stack Plus.
You guys owe us.
Yeah. Oh, you're wearing the damn shirt. That's why we got it.
My bad.
This thing looks like a library or a church or something. I don't know what this is, but we're about 30 minutes away from where we need to be. Which is gonna, you know, obviously go inside and use the restroom and then come back. And yeah, goodbye.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number.
The guy actually hit me up. He's running a little bit late himself, so that cop stop did actually somewhat help out a little bit, but not really because I gotta pay stuff. Just so you guys know, I know you guys are asking about the price and how much I'm paying for the actual clutch install itself, and it's insane. If you guys can make the trip, $400 for a $4,000. It's actually 400. It's actually $400 that he's charging me for the install, which is awesome. It's a really good price, especially since most dealers will charge you like $1,500 to install it, and most like individuals that work at shops will probably charge you around $800 to $1,000 to install the clutch. So that's actually a really good price. If I put his contact information down below, then that means I definitely recommend the guy. It means that this video came out great because the clutch install went smoothly. So click down below if you guys see it. If you guys don't, then I probably said hell no, never again. Oh, he stalled it. I'm nervous now. Yeah, why do I want to switch the exhaust? So you have egg. Did you do a platter?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do like double eggs and bacon?
That's it, just eggs and bacon?
And you have sausage as well?
Yeah.
Hey, give us some sausage.
I could be color unknown, and then
I knew it. Sammy's trying to get me to sign up for an app just to give him a referral. He says it's free movies, but I think he's the only one that's gonna be getting free movies. Anyways, so if you guys see back there is where the station is. There's actually a like a garage back there, and that's where they do all the work.
Oh, we can
I was oh yeah, we could get a good, I'm dressed, bro. I was actually hoping to get in there, but because it is during business hours and not outside of business hours, I can't really get in there at time-lapse anything, which is sucks, but whatever. Like, we'll just go with it. We're still gonna get the clutch installed, still gonna get first impressions. He said about like 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
And I gave it to him at like 11:50. All right, so I'm thinking, hey, there you go. I'm thinking maybe like 1:45 or so before I get hit over here. I'm over here vlogging, not caring about the world. But if you guys ever want to get clothes from your favorite like teams, go to the state next to it and you'll find everything you need. I swear, every time I go to like TJ Maxx in New York, I can't find anything, and all of a sudden I found nothing but Ranger stuff in Jersey. So pro tip, this is how we know we're in the hood. when you see rainbow in Jersey Shore.
I adjusted the cable end a little bit. Why don't you tell me what you think? I think it's a lot easier.
And the first, I mean? Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, you are no joke, man.
No, I'm telling you, man.
That's quick. Wow, I feel like I'm in New York. Go back to Jersey.
Your pedal stop. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's much easier.
Yeah, right? I don't know if you might want to take that out and see if you like it, because it grabs right at the fucking bottom.
Yeah, I see that.
Because I went to go pull out of here and I'm like, you know what, this is, and I poked my head underneath there. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, I might just take it off.
Pedal.
Oh, you're telling me too. I got it on my back.
It is stiffer though.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. No.
Yeah, test it out, test it out. Wasted.
But it feels good. It you know.
It grabs well?
Grabs well, taking off, you know, it's smooth. There's a little bit of chatter when you're leaving, you know, when you're leaving from a stop, because I don't want to give it too much throttle because I'm breaking it in. But overall, I think it's really good.
Feels like you got a clutch now.
Yeah.
It's not like breathing on the pedal.
I'm gonna have big calves again, bro.
There you go. That was crazy. When I put the stock clutch back in my car, I was like, what am I doing anything at all here?
Is it broken?
That's what I told him. That's how I feel.
I just realized you have the same wheels I do, bro. That's funny.
When I traded my GLI in, I took the wheels off.
Yeah. Boys, we got ourselves a new clutch. Woo. It definitely feels a whole lot tighter than the other one, so I gotta get used to this. Sammy, if I stall, they'll make fun of me. All right, I'm just letting you know.
I'm gonna go.
Bwah, bwah, bwah. And just so you know,
baby steps.
yeah, I'm definitely dressed differently, guys. Oh, I think I told them already.
Yeah.
Oh, now you want the heated seats. I know this video was kind of all over the place a little bit, but and I couldn't get inside, which is a big bummer. Let's see what it feels like right now. It definitely feels a little bit tighter. I had to take off my clutch stop on it because it released way too soon. It was like very short. That's a workout. I feel like I'm on, you know the calf machine with the double feet. Yeah. And you put it at like 150, but for you it's probably like 700.
200.
Yeah, that's what it feels like I'm doing right now. It feels like the old Civic Stage 3 clutch that I put in that car. This is Stage 3, so it makes sense that it's around the same. So some initial first impressions of the car. The clutch is definitely releases a lot lower than it used to. So that's something that I definitely have to get used to. It is also almost twice as heavy, I want to say, as the stock clutch. At least 75% heavier or 50% heavier, whatever. I don't really know percentages, but it's definitely heavier. It's definitely going to be something to get used to. Now, as far as grabbing gears, Sammy.
Holds gears good.
Buddy, it grabs. Now, I'm not trying to push it, obviously, because I'm going to go through the 500 miles before this, before I have to do, obviously, push the car. But for now, the gears that I am, you know, running through, they are grabbing perfectly. So no issues there. As far as clutch chatter goes, I'll show you guys a clip right now. Clutch in, clutch out. It's definitely louder. Now I'm gonna show you guys in a future video how to get rid of that as well, so stay tuned for that. That's definitely something that's coming up. Other than that, just driving back to the city, trying to get back to Long Island and, you know, kind of wrap some things up here. Hope you guys enjoy that video. Thank you, Sammy, for coming out and supporting, keeping me company, because I'd be bored as hell otherwise.
Guy did it fast though. So.
Yeah, no, I mean, this guy was done in an hour and 55 minutes. I mean, when he told me that he was done, I was kind of scared. I was like, oh, maybe he didn't put some parts in.
I know.
But
he called you.
But he called me as soon as I had already walked over. He was out giving it a test drive, so it actually turned out perfect. So I'm gonna link his Facebook account. I spoke to him and he says that he does everything through Facebook, so he doesn't really have like a personal email or anything like that he uses for this particularly. Just if you do hit him up for the clutch, know that he is somewhere in South Jersey by the water. So if you hit him up, tell him I sent you JS Mark 7. I don't get anything for it, but I want him to know that I'm definitely sending him some clients and people that are interested, and hopefully he'll want to collaborate later on with the channel and doing some installs maybe in the shop or something. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.
I had a look into my eyes and never let it go.